We are all smart in one way or another. It is said that an intelligence quotient score can measure intelligence. So, does getting a high score on an IQ test lead to a level of success? No. That's right. There are three reasons for this. First, intelligence is separated into different components, different types of knowledge. Second, there is no true definition of intelligence. And third, an IQ test is not predetermined to measure comprehension, but other independent factors. That's what I'm here. To convince you to stop listening while I say, so you can realize that an IQ test is not a valid measurement of your success and intelligence. Cognition is divided into three subdivisions: memory, reasoning, and verbal skills. No matter how good you are at one, there will always be a reason for you to be bad at another. And that is because that is intelligence. For example, there is a Fibonacci sequence where you add the previous number to the current one to form the following digits. The doctor who memorized the sequence will not be able to do it as simply as a multiplication. And a linguistic professor will have difficulties because he's adapted to develop grammar, not arithmetic. Everybody thinks different. We are all smart in our own personal manner. The Merriam-Webster dictionary defines intelligence as the ability to learn or understand or to deal with new or trying situations. And they may be right, but at the same time wrong. Question an engineer what is an intelligent person, and he will say a good engineer. Ask an artist, and you will get a good artist. But expect something different from the most curious of all professions: students. No matter what, all you will told is someone with high school grades. Does that really make someone intelligent? We've grown to believe that a grade matters more than acquiring knowledge. We've forgotten the true meaning of intelligence, and to take a meaningless test will not remind us what it is. We are adapted for change. That is why the IQ score is never constant. An individual is not born and does not die with the same IQ. We must develop our intellect to start from the bottom. Recent statistics show that a person who is motivated to take the test earns a higher score than someone who is not. Lastly, most psychologists claim success in life is weighted by the IQ. All this is a lie. You just cannot expect a genius to work hard in life. Some of the greatest ideas come from men who are too afraid or too lazy to test their works. An IQ cannot foretell your fate, but you can. War is peace, ignorance is strength. George Orwell wrote this slogan for the dystopian novel 1984. To remark here, humankind has lost the meaning of intelligence, and an intelligent quotient will not remind us what it is. A test cannot give a ranking to your intelligence because a test is not as complex as you. Do not let exam say you're stupid. Say you are a loser. Intelligence is more than memory, reasoning, and verbal skills. It's more than hard work and motivation. It's more than achieving good grades at school. Intelligence is you. You want to achieve your dreams? Then do it. Because the only one there who can stop you is you.